When we talk about senior high school memories, mush or Ice Kenkey is definitely one that can't be left out. I will tell you one annoying thing about me during my senior high school days some other time. Welcome to Precious Kitchen. And today's spotlight shines on the delectable Ice Kenkey, normally referred to as mush in Ghana. And these are my ingredients. Nfante Kenkey, made with corn, sugar, milk, groundnut paste, groundnuts, ice block, and milk powder. Now, let's embark on this journey with these exquisite ingredients as we craft the flavors that pays homage to the delightful tradition of Ice Kenkey. Prepare the Nfante Kenkey, or if you have store-bought Nfante Kenkey, follow the package instructions to heat or steam it until it's warmed through. I have my store-bought, as you can see. I have chopped them into square. Put them into your blender. Add a little water as to how thicker you want it to be and blend it, or you can decide to mash it with your hand if there is a power shortage. Sprinkle sugar to taste over the kenkey. Adjust the quantity based on your preference for sweeteners. Add prepared your groundnut paste. If you don't have ready-made groundnut paste, mix peanut butter with a bit of water to achieve a smooth, pourable consistency. Add a little water if it feels too thick for your liking and blend it for about 1 minute. Place the Nfante Kenkey in a bowl or plate. Crush the peanut into smaller pieces. This will be used as a crunchy topping for the Ice Kenkey. This adds a delightful crunch to each bite. Pour your evaporated or condensed milk over the kenkey. This adds a creamy and rich texture. If you prefer, you can sprinkle a bit of milk powder over the Ice Kenkey for an extra layer of creaminess. Carefully place ice blocks around the edges of the kenkey to impart a refreshing chill. Allow the Ice Kenkey to sit for a moment, letting the flavors meld. Serve this delightful Ghanaian treat. Yummy! Always feel free to customize the ingredients and quantities based on your taste preferences. Ice Kenkey is often enjoyed as cooling and satisfying snack, especially during warm weather. My Ice Kenkey is ready. Yummy! You want to taste? Prepare yours, and you'll see how delicious and tasty it is. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.